Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram feedback required problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings, scroll down to the apps section. Now go to the search and search on Instagram. Now as you see, go to the storage next, and here you'll find this clear cache option. Click on it, and now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't work, maybe try to restart your phone. If it didn't work again, maybe try to clear cache, but be careful when you clear data. But be careful when you clear data. All your information, all your databases will be deleted. So be careful. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.